Here I have a doubt for the hookup. Like here only the ending pose should be running or what? I was confusing with this hookup. Here should be the starting pose like this, huh?
I think if you make it running, no, it will have a good impact.
Like here only the ending should be like that second starting pose, like going about to run, like that or.
In this shot itself, he should be about to run. That means he should take
Like,
the first step already.
Like he's taking some little anticipation and like going.
First step directly. This ending pose for this shot has to be like this, where he is running directly.
Okay.
And his left foot will come first. So, about to run pose. Not in this angle, but in the same angle. But he will go out from this way. He will not go out this way.
Okay, he's going like a right side, screen right.
While he is getting up, he should be more rotated towards right screen.
So in this shot only, his
Yes.
end pose should be out of the frame, or here only about to run. Like
About to run and taking one step.
Okay.
So,
the character should be in the frame only, the ending.
It can be on frame. No need of taking it out, but
Okay.
at least reaching the corners.
Okay.
2 steps. 1 and 2. 2 steps. And then same 2 steps you will have here this.
But here his right leg is little forward. Look.
Right leg forward, no?
Yeah.
This also right leg is forward.
Here is more forward, so need to bring it little back, or it's fine.
It will hook up. You have to overlap.
Okay.
Here it will go right leg ahead, and then left leg also will go ahead.
Okay.
In this shot. Right leg ahead and then left leg ahead. Next shot also same thing. Right leg ahead and left leg ahead. These both poses should match on overlap each other. Then you will have smooth transition to 1 to second shot.
Okay.
It should not be cut off. It should be overlap. Whenever there is hookup, you should have overlap, not cut. Cut will give you cuts. When you see, it will look like a cut. When you have overlap, it will look like single shot.
Okay.
Here he should be running right leg and then next pose. These same 2 poses will be in the, so this beginning will get removed. These frames will get removed. Directly your shot should start 1, 2, this from here. It should directly stand up here.
So the before you drawn the 2 poses, that starting first pose should be here first pose, right?
Here also same thing. He will go stand up and run. Same thing.
Okay.
You do it, you will understand. You do same poses for both the shots, beginning and end. Both the shot will have standing up and running. Both the shots. When you will play together, then you will feel that it is single shot. Then you will understand that this is how it works. It should be overlapping 2 poses.
Okay.
If I'm running, if I'm just standing up in first shot, next shot should also be just standing up. It cannot have direct run. Then it will look like a cut. If next shot also I'm standing up, then it will merge 2 shots. And as a human, we will see that he stood up and he ran.
Okay.
So 2 poses same. In this shot also, he will stand up and run. But the starting frames will be removed then, please.
This first pose should not be there. It is about to run, right? The second shot, first pose.
That's what I'm saying. Overlap it. That's what you are again asking the same question. This will be same. It is just the beginning. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 5 frames you will remove from the beginning, which are still.
Okay.
You will have same thing. He is about to run this same thing. In the previous shot, you will have same thing, what you did in next shot. Now he is just sitting, but you need to make him stand up and run in the previous shot. This 1, 2 pose. Same 1, 2 pose will come here. You have to do repeat 2 times in both the shots. then it will look one.
Okay.
It's an overlap. It is like first shot going this, second shot going this. This is wrong. First shot going this, second shot going this. This is overlapping. This section has to be common in both shots. Then you will see the hookup correct. Getting it? If I'm doing something, if I'm stopping here, next shot should start the same thing from here. It should not start from here. This should not be the start. It should be starting before something which you already did in previous shot. This has to be a common section in both the shots. Always to have a hookup, correct? Always. Whatever the action is, whether it's a fly or a run or a jump, you will have same common poses in last and first frame. 2, 3 frames you will have common.
Yeah, now I got it.
Now you got it, right? This,
Yes.
whenever it ends, next shot should not start from here. It should start from here. So if 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So next shot will have 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3.
Okay. I understand.
Understood now?
Yes, sir.
So this is how it will happen. Overlapping your shots to have a good hookup in speed. Any action. If I'm doing, hey, what's up? And I'm cutting the shot. So if I'm ending here, next shot should start from here. Same action again repeat. Then people will see as same action. If I stop here, next shot, if I start from here, it will have a cut. Why? Because we have ease out. Because we have ease in at the end in our graph. We have ease in at the in the graph. When it's ease in, your hand will like stop, next shot again start. It will not be flow. It will be this way. To have the speed matching, we do this.
Sir, can you please go back once? That pose. Yeah. No, that correction. Yeah, here 1 to 6. That the previous one.
Ah,
But top side you written as a 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, right? That 4, 5, 6 is previous 3 poses 4, 5, 6.
yes.
But 1, 2, 3, the next.
Next poses.
Okay.
So next shot will start from previous shots 3 poses.
Okay.
Common poses.
Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt in this thing.
Yes.
If we have to start this same thing with the same camera angle, how can we do that in the same file?
Means I could not get it.
This is shot 1 and 2 from frame 1 to 6 and 4 to 3 to 1, 4 to 3. If we wanted to do this shot in the same one file, single file, is it possible or we have to create 2 separate files?
You can do in that way. You can do the entire scene in one file. You can switch the camera in one frame. Suppose first shot is 50 frames. So on 51, you can change the complete camera and also character's position. You can have the same shot in same file.
Okay, but to repeat the poses, we just need to copy and paste it to in front of that only and changing the camera. Okay.
It is visually the same poses, not exactly the same.
Okay.
It is visually the same. If I'm running like this, my right hand is ahead. So my next pose, next shot, right hand should be ahead. It does not mean that you should have exact right hand same way ahead. No. The action has to be overlapping, not the exact pose. The action
Just
has
like match pose, match cut, like just like
Yeah.
match cut. Okay, understood.
Sir, like one character is a wide shot, and next shot is a same pose is there, but next shot is a zoom, like close up shot.
Hmm.
But action is like in this case also that will work, right? Like
So-
first shot is like a wide angle shot, and next
Hmm.
is close up shot.
Hmm.
But the character action same only. Camera angle is not different angle is not different angle, but it's same, like a wide angle and zoom angle. Next is in that case also this hookup thing will work or
Whenever hookup you need, if there is anywhere in action cut, whatever camera it is, if it is an action cut, you need to have overlapping of 2 or 3 poses from last shot. If it's an action cut. So whatever the camera angle is, you need to have 2 poses overlap, whatever the camera angle is, if it's an action cut. If there is no action cut, then it's not needed. I'm saying only when there is action cut.
that's my question.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Only when you are in some speed action, only when you are doing something in between, if you have a cut. You watch any of the car movies, any of the, if I have to, I need to check. Now this car is going ahead. Now green car went ahead. It already went ahead. But here in the next shot, it will still have 2-3 frames overlap, which is going to be behind to have the action cut smooth. Now, if you see this, McQueen is going ahead. She is still behind.
Okay.
Earlier pose, she went ahead. But next shot, she is still behind. 3 frames again, it will come ahead. That will give you a correct action cut. If this is the thing, see. Green came ahead. Now McQueen already went ahead. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Went ahead. First tire is already ahead. See this. But she is still behind in the next shot. Again, she will have 3 frames overlap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She will come again.
Okay.
Now she went off the screen.